Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mr. Smelly Fragrance Review channel. So a quick educational or helpful video I hope today, completely different to what I normally put out on the channel. So of course you are doubtless aware of the recent crisis, panic, scare, whatever that's been going on with the coronavirus, a famous virus that is unfortunately spreading quite rapidly, it seems, around the world and can have very, very serious effects if you are unlucky enough to get it. One of the things, I went to my local shop actually today, and they've even started to limit the amount of certain foods and toilet rolls, and basically you can't like stockpile them because people are doing that amazingly. And the other thing, of course, I'm sure, if you've tried to buy any hand sanitizing gel, you know, the alcohol stuff that you use to clean your hands and make sure you don't spread or catch germs, that's kind of sold out everywhere where I am. I don't know, let me know in the comments if that's still the case where you are in the world. An alternative, a great alternative that can be very cost effective, is to use eau de cologne, okay? Now it must be not just any old aftershave, or it has to be literally what is termed an eau de cologne. My example here, very inexpensive fragrance, I've got 300 ml for about £15, and this is of course 4711, which you can find easily online. 86% volume, I think that means it's 86% alcohol, so I think you want to get above that kind of 85% of it being alcohol. And then of course, apart from smelling rather pleasant and citrusy, it has that sterilizing effect, so you can just splash on a decent amount of this all over your hands and it's going to have pretty much the same effect as your alcohol gel. Only downside, of course, those gels maybe have a little bit of stuff that's moisturizing as well, so your hands don't get too dry, so you might want to use a moisturizer too. But great stuff. There are all kinds of different alternative versions. If you want to go a little bit cheaper than this even, I think it's called Duru, D-U-R-U, Turkish cologne, that you can get on eBay here in the UK. Very, very cheap. You can like buy 400 or 200 ml bottles or whatever. And you know, that's going to be mainly alcohol with just a kind of pleasant lemony smell. And those not yet sold out or being used widely for this purpose. But the eau de cologne type fragrance that is very weakly concentrated in terms of the perfume content, therefore has most of the thing we want if we're trying to kill germs, which is of course alcohol. Presumably you could also buy rubbing alcohol and that kind of thing from your local chemist, I guess, but this is a really great and rather lovely smelling alternative way to do it. So wherever you are in the world, and even if you've only come to this video not through any interest in fragrances, but maybe searching alternatives to hand sanitizing gels, which are now sold out or very hard to get in some parts of the world, eau de cologne, anything with a high concentration of alcohol, is going to do the job for you. So let me know if that's helped anybody out there, and if you've tried this. Thank you to some people were sharing this on Facebook where I saw it, and thank you very much to them. That's all for today, so just a real quickie. I'll see you in the next proper video coming up very soon. Remember, look, guys, whatever you're doing in life, let's project, and please try and stay safe and don't get ill. All right, see you soon, but don't panic. Don't panic. It'll probably be okay, I hope. See you soon. Bye-bye.